Okay, so now we're looking at compound events where we need to look to see if there is, excuse me, no way or some way that the events can happen at the same time. So what I'm saying, if in compound events there is no possibility that there is an overlap of events between the two events or more, then we can say that the events cannot happen at the same time. So if the events cannot happen, if they cannot happen at the same time, we call them mutually exclusive. So we'll look at an example. So jumping up too high. So find, okay, the event we're doing is a card. Single card is drawn from a pack of 52 cards. What's the chance probability that's a king or a 5, a king, and in part B a 5, and in part C a king or a 5. Okay, so in the first one, there's 4 kings out of 52, so there's a 1/13th chance that it's a king. Similarly, it's 1/13th chance that it's a 5 because there's 4 of those. Now, you can't be a king or a 5 at the same time, so the probability of a king or a 5 is there are 8 cards out of 52, which is 2/13. So if you look at those two numbers, you can see that we're just adding those two events together and we get the same answer. So we define an addition. Okay, last time we had a multiplication. So if we have mutually exclusive events, probability of A or B is probability of A plus the probability of B. Okay, so copy that and come across. So I want you to read through example 18 on page 314. Just got to read through it. You don't need to copy it down. And then there's an exercise 24E from the electronic textbook. Okay, that's it.